Bench testing in 1959 Cadillac power antenna, serial number VI02242025, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retracted. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. Test number 4, mast to radial feed continuity test. Test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retract. Again, test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retract. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. We have a continuity tester, we have connection, we have tone. Going to connect one terminal to the mast and one to the antenna body. We see we have no continuity from the mast to the antenna body. Test number 4, mast continuity test back to the radial feed. Again, we have tone. Connect to the mast, to the radial feed. We have continuity. Just demonstrate that the mast is connected to the radial feed, but is insulated from ground. The only connection we have to the mast is to the radial connection. It's important because if the mast was short of the ground, it would cause static and other problems with the radio.